enter into our SLEAS app, and then you could add a device from here. You could see here the remote control and synced configuration and the switch. If you want to add a device into SLEAS, you could choose the remote control and click adding. Create remote control, and then choose the type of the device. For example, we want to add air condition, and then you should choose the device for the house from here, and you could add the air condition into our SLEAS via the code library. If your air condition exists in our library code, here when you adding the device into the SLEAS, you will see that the light of the SLEAS will flash the red light. Yeah, as you could see here, and you could hear a voice from the air condition, and then you could download it. Here, you could remote control the air conditioner from here now. Since the air conditioner exists in our library code, so you could add it from the library code very easy. However, sometimes if your device didn't exist in the library code, then you need to act by remote controlled